If you're considering, or if you're in the very early stages, launching a supplements brand on Amazon, I'm going to roll through a few tips on how to succeed as a new brand in the Amazon space. Supplements brand, that is. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everyone, I'm Marissa and I'm a brand manager over at My Amazon Guy. So really the first question anybody is asking themselves when launching a brand, any type of product in any category, is when's the best time to do so? When's the best time to go live on Amazon for supplements? We're thinking about health, we're thinking about improving ourselves. And what time is notoriously known for that kind of focus other than the new year? You've heard the mantra, new year, new me. Nobody is really thinking about losing weight or metabolism or energy or any of the benefits that you can get from a supplement. No one's worried about that kind of stuff. If you are fresh meat, if you're a new brand on the block and nobody really knows about you, price is going to be the biggest differentiator. And, in order to make sales, you need to have sales. And so we've created a really easy to follow guide for your product launch. The strategy might be scary at first. You might be a bit unprofitable, but puts you in a really great position in the months to follow. And your bestseller rank will shoot down during this time, which is good. We want a BSR that's small. It means that you are in a higher ranked spot in your category, performing well relative to others, and your organic rank will thank you for this later. So now transitioning into what kind of programs you should be enrolled in, upon being a new brand and supplement space on Amazon. Subscribe and save without a question is something that you want to participate in. If your product is consumable, this is a necessity. Subscribe and save is just basically a way to sign up for recurring purchases through a seller-funded discount. You can see here, there are a few different discount options. We recommend the max of giving 10% off to incentivize sellers to sign up for recurring purchases. You can see here is a little statistic. Products at 10%, discount can drive up to 1.8 times more conversion. Amazon can even provide an additional 5% here for anybody who has over 5 subscriptions. So you can actually get up to about 15% discount when it comes to subscribe and save. So it's just a really great way to lock in more long-term revenue with a fixed investment of only 5 to 10% on your end. There are a few discounts that go hand in hand really well with subscribe and save. It's one option that's pretty much self-explanatory, but I thought I'd mention it anyways, is subscribe and save coupons. Here's more percent off of your first order when you subscribe, ongoing automatic repurchases. We want people to bite. And, sometimes that X% will do it. So these are promotions that are offered to a few different audiences that Amazon has created based off of the behaviors of the exhibit. So for this brand in particular, the ones that they have available are actually really some of the best ones to leverage for supplements brands. So brand cart abandoners, anyone who's pretty much added your product to their cart but has abandoned the cart in the middle of the process. So they didn't complete the purchase. They're basically low-hanging fruit for anyone who has one foot in the door but just needs an extra nudge, like a 10% discount to seal the deal. And then on the other end, promising, it's anybody who's actually already purchased. They buy occasionally from you and spend on average. So in order to convert them to a more loyal customer, we can give them, again, that extra boost by doing this. And the last program I actually wanted to discuss was Vine, which is a really hot topic in the supplement space. People want to buy a product that other people trust, and just getting reviews and generating them is the best way to do that. But at My Amazon Guy, we typically follow rule of thumb that follows 2 different rules. So, if the product works immediately and offers noticeable results quickly, great for Vine. But the keywords there are noticeable and quickly. So if the product does not have noticeable quick results and there's not a clear difference or impact right away, you're going to end up with a lot of reviews saying your product just doesn't work. So you have to be really careful when considering Vine. Reviews are important, but paying for bad ones would be really frustrating. So building sales so reviews can just come in more naturally might be the best route here if you're selling supplements.